Good morning, good morning. Oh my goodness. It is just another amazing day, right? And it's Tuesday, so that means this is technically my Transformation Tuesday. But we're doing a transformation week, right? So I'm Kelly Frick of Kelly Frick Connect, and I love coming on here and connecting with you guys and being able to share lots of wonderful, amazing tips and tricks and recipes and different things. So today's duo focus, in case you didn't catch yesterday, this week is all about BOGO week, right? So it's super crazy. It's about being able to snag lots of great deals with our essential oils, and we're going to be focusing a little bit on essential oils this week and how they can definitely support our health, well-being, mind, body, soul, spirit, health, right? So take a sip of my tea. I don't know about you guys. Still trying to wake up, you know. But anyways, so I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Today's duo is cheer and motivate. Oh my goodness. So you might not think that these two oils can do anything supportive as far as physically, right? And think that, okay, they're really great for helping with my emotions, all this different stuff. But if we think about it, where our mind is where our body goes, right? So if we're not feeling very motivated about something, we might be feeling kind of sluggish. If we're not feeling very positive or cheerful about something, then it can start affecting our physical health, you know, with depression and just different things like that, all right? So cheer, being the uplifting blend, what it does is it helps boost our happiness and our optimism about things. So when we're needing to be able to be cheered up, we're having a heavy heart about something, overcoming feelings of hopelessness, right? Needing to be able to regain that hope and joy in something, in an activity, to restore our belief system, even to be able to feel determined about something. So when we have motivation issues, we're needing to be able to be encouraged about something, right? Needing to be able to lift our confidence, to feel courage to overcome things, to, again, courage to be able to overcome our negative belief system. What if our belief system, we talked last week about that cycle of where our mind goes, then goes all parts of our system that then leads to our belief system, which then feeds back into our mind, right? So we're needing to be able to feed our belief system with, you know, some great courage, some great motivation. And what's really great is about Motivate is it's full of mints and citruses, and so it's just very refreshing and uplifting. It helps us fire into action, to have that warrior-like spirit, right? To face challenges, to address our desires, to be able to serve ourselves, to serve others, to be able to get out of that stagnant feeling, to feel energized and encouraged. But you know, sometimes, and this is what I super love about these two being a BOGO today, being put together, is that we can feel really motivated about something, right? We can be determined, we can have courage, we can have all those things, but we can sometimes do it without a cheerful heart, you know, and the thing is, we need to be cheerful. We need to find joy in all circumstances, even in the challenges of something, because that is how our love for self and love for others is able to pour out, right? So when we get out of our own heads and our own circumstances, we're able to then better serve and help others. We're able to truly connect with the love of ourself and the love of others. So let's take a moment to roller on both of these oils. So I'm going to layer cheer first on the back of my neck so that it gets up into my head, my belief system. I'm even going to put it on my lymph system, on my wrist. I'm going to put it on my gut, because remember, our gut is our second brain, or our first brain, actually, in some cultures. But either way, it is definitely connected to our brain. Then I'm going to layer Motivate on top, pulse points. I'm going to even motivate my lymph system to do all of its work. Get it on my belly. All right, now I'm going to palm diffuse with some cheer and motivate. All right. Rub this all in. And these two oils are great oils to also to tap with. So since they both, let's talk about believing, all right? So cheer restores belief, and motivate helps to believe in yourself and in your abilities, to believe in the challenges of overcoming the challenges, right? So even though I don't believe in myself, I love and accept myself. Even though my belief system needs to be rewired, I love and accept myself. Even though my beliefs are negative, I love and accept myself. All right, so that's addressing it in the problem aspect, right? You can instead address it in the positive, in the affirmation of, I believe in myself and I love and accept myself. I believe in all my abilities and I love and accept myself. I believe I am capable of hope, joy, confidence, everything. I love and accept myself. And then you can start going through all of the tapping points, right? In confirming those beliefs, in addressing the issues, going all through the tapping points, all through them. And then remember, always assess at the very beginning where you're at, range it from 1 to 10, and then at the very end, deep breaths in, deep breaths out, and then assess again, 1 to 10, and re-tap through. So my challenge for you today, as you are trying to find your cheer and your motivation in whatever challenge you might have, in whatever belief system that needs to be rewired, I want you to do something that challenges you, that's challenging, that's different, that requires you to dig deep, but for you to do it with joy and cheerfulness, and do something for someone else. Because isn't it super amazing that when we're feeling down and gloomy and glum and just not feeling very motivated, but somebody needs us, a neighbor needs a meal, the church is needing some help with delivering meals or organizing something, the nursing home is needing somebody to go and sit and read with an elderly person, or just play a game with someone. The First Start program is needing somebody to come and organize their closets, whatever it is. But isn't it funny how when we dig deep and we get out of ourselves and out of our discouragement and frustration, and we do for somebody else, how much it lifts us, how much it encourages us, and it reminds us that we are a bigger picture. We are many parts of one body, right? And so therefore, it reminds us to be able to really dig deep and find our encouragement, to find our joy. And when we use these two oils to help support that, it helps us dig even deeper to do that. So again, my challenge for you today is do something for someone else. As simple as you're going to the store and opening the door for someone, helping with somebody's groceries, sending a surprise gift to someone, volunteering unexpectedly somewhere, or signing up finally for that soup kitchen that you've been telling yourself you're going to go and help with, but you just haven't had a chance to, keep dropping things, haven't had a chance to take the time, or you haven't made the time to actually call or to set it up because you keep thinking that your schedule is getting in the way. So do something for someone else today and find how it totally will lift your spirit and encourage you. And if you want to be able to learn more about these 2 oils and how to be able to snag this deal today only, make sure and private message me or comment below. And I want to hear from you. Have you used either one of these oils? And how have you used these oils? Because I even use Motivate for sore muscles sometimes. And Cheer even for sore muscles, to remind my muscles it's okay. It's okay to be sore because, you know, we're working through stuff. Or, you know, sometimes we're just having a heavy heart because we're frustrated about something. And so Cheer can definitely help support that. But share with me how you've used Cheer and or Motivate. What is something that is totally different than what somebody else might have used it for? So share with that, and you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I look forward to sharing with you more soon. Tomorrow, right? All right, take care. God bless.